So now we're going to look at parabolas where the vertex is not at the origin. Okay, so here's the axis system. And what we're going to say then is we have a parabola somewhere, and I'm going to do this kind first, the up and down kind. Okay, and this vertex is at h, comma, k. So the vertex is at h, comma, k. All right, so that's important. Now, I'm going to give you the equation for this. The equation is x minus h squared equals 4p y minus k. Okay, and you have to have the parentheses and everything in that form. Yeah. Okay, so we've got the vertex. The axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Well, that's going to be coming right through here, right through the vertex. So that's going to be x equals h. And then the focus is going to be right here. So that's going to be a point. It's going to be h, comma, k plus p. So that's going to be the focus. Let's see, make sure I don't forget anything here. The directrix, well, that's got to be on the other side, and it's going to go this way. So it's going to be a y equals line because it's a horizontal line, and it's going to be k minus p. So you can think about that a little bit, but you're going up k to get to the vertex, then you got to back up p amount. Okay, and then the end points of the lattice rectum. Okay, so those are going to be here and here. So they're always going up. The y value is going to be the same as the focus, right? K plus p. But the x value is going to be h plus or minus 2p. Okay, so those are going to be the end points. Yeah. Now that's those kind. Now we'll have the other kind. So here's the coordinate system. And let's say we have a vertex here, but we're going this way. Okay, so this is going to be our new vertex, h comma k. Oops, h comma k. And the equation goes like this. It has to be y minus k squared. Remember, k always goes with the y and h always goes with the x. But this time we're having a y squared because it's a sideways one. And then that's going to equal 4p times x minus h. Okay, so that's the equation. Let's see. We have the vertex still at hk. The axis of symmetry I guess I should put this in orange. The axis of symmetry is going to be going right through this way. So that's going to be a y equals line, and it's going to be y equals k. And I want to make sure I do. Yeah, okay. Let me make sure I wrote it right. Yeah, okay. All right. So we got the axis of symmetry at focus. We need the focus. So the focus is going to be in here somewhere. And so it's going to be over h plus p, comma, k, because it's still going to be in line with the vertex. And then we've got to do the directrix. Well, the directrix is going to be a vertical line. It's going to be back here someplace. And where is that going to be? Well, it's going to be, you're going to go over h, but then back up p. So it's going to be h minus p. All right, and then we need the endpoints of the lattice rectum, and that's going to be, your lattice rectum is going to be here. Okay, and so those endpoints are going to be, they're going to be, the x value is going to be h plus p, because they have to be in line with the focus. And then the k, though, is going to be k, or the y value is going to be k plus or minus 2p. And let me make sure I gave you all the information. So it's another like kind of half a page of formulas. Try to get it on a quarter page, I guess. But once you know what h and p and k are, you can figure out what everything is and you can graph it. Okay?